Under the initiative of Karbi Students Association, Dilai Head Branch organized the 6th and 3rd Inter-School Boys and Girls Football League Championship Trophy 2022 at Dilai Playground from 11th of November. It was reported that a total of 10 schools had enrolled their names in boys category and as many as 7 schools had registered their names in girls category. The inaugural match of the tournament in boys category was played between Dilai High School and Serdihun English High School, where Dilai High School beat Serdihun English High School with 4 victory goals. Likewise, in girls category, the inaugural match was played between St. John's School and Dilai Government ME School, but due to the equal talent and skill from both the teams, they were unable to score till the full time of the match. In the inaugural ceremony, Tu Heswar Terang, president of KLA Nihang Donsuri Zonal Committee, took the honor to inaugurate the 6th and 3rd Inter-School Boys and Girls Football League Championship Trophy 2022. Nobin Rongpi, Secretary of KSA Bokajan Regional Committee, President, KSA Dilai Head Branch, Tenson Taro, Sports Secretary, AUDC SU, President and Secretary of Kanchasdikom Dilai Committee, President, Karsa Dilai Branch, and many dignitaries of the region attended the inaugural ceremony of the 6th and 3rd Inter-School Boys and Girls Football League Championship Trophy 2022. Brojen Hanse, Secretary of KSA Dilai Head Branch, while speaking to us, informed that the main motive to organize such event is to eradicate the community barriers among children from various schools and to encourage the students and uplift the sport culture at the region.
Nilitum laso kapathu ki mang la pulo school tumang bong ban stami alang litum hijanang bong stami kachichini ta dopo ang paris stami kapathu parong ro hin stami litum ahawar stami also ching thur dangji pajok sin litum laso school leg bang aprang pen kibi pen pining deng trok la penar so lo tuming deng thoman ang thun abe warning bom lo ason sin litum aprang ke bang jilang sami anse laso kapathu parong ro long football det be asona sona pathu sami litum kibi ponji pasin litum Dilai KSA ropi bane ka ke sami chisik lo.
Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbing Nong Live.